Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. So here's our special recipe. Looks yummy, right? Let me try. Ouch. So these are our ingredients. Two teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of pepper powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1/4 of fennel powder, half teaspoon of fennel powder, 1/4 of salt. These are the ingredients for the gravy. Take 7 or 8 shallot, 1 chili, green leaves, 4 pods of garlic, I have taken here 1 pomfret and I have removed the fins. If you need to cook fully you can, but here I have cut it into half. And cut it like this, both the sides. In the mixture, put the mixed items and add 1/4 of oil and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and make it paste. And mix the paste in the pomfret and add some curry leaves. No need to take whole paste, keep the extra paste for later use. And the next step is take a tapioca and cut it into small size and boil it until it cooks well. And take 1 small bowl of coconut powder mix and add some water. Take the cooked tapioca and add dehydrated curry leaves. Salt. Oil. And mix it. Take ginger, garlic, green chili, and curry leaves, fennel seed, and smash it. Tomato, the paste which we kept aside, curry leaves, green chili, ginger, garlic. When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it. Take the pomfret and fry it. On the other side, we'll make cassava. Take a cooking pot and add oil. When the oil is hot, put mustard seeds, curry leaves, ginger and onions. And close the So our fish is ready on the other side. Open the lid and add the smashed ingredients. On the same oil which we have taken for frying the fish, put onions, green chili, curry leaves, tomato and mix it. And close the lid. Add tapioca which we kept in a side and mix it well. Add the coconut milk and mix it and close the lid. Open the lid and mix it again. Now cook well. Take the paste and add some coconut milk. We'll check for the gravy. Mix it again and add salt. And add the paste and mix it. Add the fried pomfret into it and mix it with the gravy. Make sure not to break the fish. and close the lid. So our cassava is ready. After a while, look the gravy and it's boiled now. When it comes like this, close the lid again and let it cook. After a while, open the lid and it's almost ready. Off the flame. Now our next step is take a banana leaf and put the fish. Make sure not to break the fish. Add cassava on the top. Put the other half and add some gravy to it. If you need more gravy, you can add it. What a good aroma. Now it looks yummy, right, guys? Just let me try without seeing my mom. Oops, she won't allow me now because it's not ready yet. And close it with toothpick, or it's better to tie it. And add some oil and cook it with lid closed. Oops, I almost made a mess. Trust me guys, it's better to tie it. Now it's almost ready. I can't wait it anymore. Wow, what a good aroma, and looks mouth-watering. Let me try it. Oh, it's hot. Make sure not to burn your hand. Wow, yummy. Guys, please do try this recipe, and if you have any feedback, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching.